Hi everyone, welcome to another PDQPD. I am John Sedgwick and today I want to show you how to create and use multiple signatures in your Gmail. The reason you might want to use multiple signatures is it's important to have a good email signature that communicates the proper information to the recipients of your email. For example, if you're a teacher, besides your name, it's probably important to have your school, perhaps the grade level, and the subjects that you teach. Because if you send information to perhaps a counselor or tech support or an administrator, they may need to know the grade levels that you teach, and if it's not in that email, it would necessitate another follow-up email to get that information. So with this update, Google allows you to have multiple signatures and you can switch easily between the ones that you need. So the way to do this, we're going to start with creating a signature, and to start with, you'll go to your Gmail account, and then you'll go up here to the settings gear and click on that, and then scroll down to settings, and this takes you to the settings window in your Gmail account. You're going to scroll all the way down to where you see the signatures, and most people have a Gmail signature, so you probably know how to do this part. And you can see here that my regular signature that I have, I've included some images and some text and so forth in here, and this one's called My Signature. And I've put a couple of other signatures in here just for demonstration purposes. So the first one is I have a signature here that's just a plain signature without any of the pictures or any of the colors or anything like that. And I can use this if I don't need all of the other stuff. If I'm communicating to somebody I know pretty well, I can have something simple. Another version that you might need if you're a teacher and you're sending an email to your students, it may be helpful to have something like your Canvas homepage for that class so that the students can easily click on that. And you can see here that I have added a hyperlinked address here that you could have in your signature. Students could click on that and quickly get you right to the course that they need. So the way that you create additional signatures is once you've gotten to your signatures, you go down here to the Create New, and then you're going to give this signature a name so you can identify it when you try to use it. Now I'm going to make one that includes my Google Voice phone number. You could use this if you are contacting parents and you want them to be able to call you on a Google Voice number. But I'm just going to call this Google Voice. And then I'll click Create. And you can see it brings one up with the title and a blank window. And this is where I'm going to include the information that I want in this email address. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And this is a pretty simple address here. I could flare it up a little bit. I could take my name and make it boldface. If I wanted to change the text color, I could do something like that. Maybe I'll make it a red color and so forth. So there's a simple address that includes my Google Voice number. And if that's the only one that I want, I can leave it like that, or I can click another to create new. But when I've got all my emails in that I want, I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom of the page, and I'm going to select Save Changes. And that should save those new emails that I've added to my original. Now to use this, I've gone back to my inbox, and I'm going to select Compose. And then you see it has my normal default signature here. But if I want to use one of my other signatures, I scroll down here to the bottom here and to the little ink pen looking icon. And when you scroll over it, it says Insert Signature. When I click on that, it brings up the signatures, the names of the signatures that I have, including a no signature, and I can choose the one that I want to use in this email. So I've changed it now. I've changed it to the one with my Google Voice number. I can go ahead and click my recipients, my subject, type in the content of my email, and send it off. So I hope you can see how this could be useful, especially now that we're doing a lot of communication via distance learning. You may have different emails that you want to send to parents, to your students, to different classes, to administrators, and you can include all of those different email signatures in your account and easily click through them. I hope this is helpful to you, and as always, have a great day.